Are you looking for some special ladies bags? I promise you, you will happy to see this video. Watch carefully till the end. And don't miss to hit the subscriber button. Here we have reviewed 5 best ladies bags. Number 1, ACELURE Leather Handbag. This is the special ACELURE leather handbag in this year. 4.7 star rating on AliExpress. So don't worry about quality and quantity. This ACELURE leather handbag have 13 colors. Features, 100% brand new handbags. Brand name, ACELURE. Model number, MZ9020. Lining material, polyester, handbags interior, cell phone pocket interior zipper pocket, handbags pattern type, thread. Number of handles, straps, single, handbag style, European and American style. 13 colors are available. Customer reviews, 3,235. Price, US $15.12. Again, I assure you that 11,887 orders already have placed for this products. So don't miss the chance to buy this awesome product. Hit the link on the description. Number 2, Seametni Black Small Women Messenger Bag. This is the special Seametni Black Small Women Messenger Bag in this year. 4.8 star rating on AliExpress. So don't worry about quality and quantity. This Seametni Black Small Women Messenger Bag have 4 colors. Features, 100% brand new ladies bags. Brand name, Seametni. Model number, 8362. Handbags type, messenger bags. Main material, PU. Lining material, polyester. Interior zipper pocket. Exterior, silt pocket. Pattern type, solid. Weight, 0.42 kilogram. Style, flap, vintage, casual, high-grade leather. Price, US $10.52. Again, I assure you that 11,859 orders already have placed for this products. So don't miss the chance to buy this awesome product. Hit the link on the description. Number 3, Molfmy Fashion Folding Women Big. This is the special Molfmy Fashion Folding Women Big in this year. 4.8 review on AliExpress. So don't worry about quality and quantity. Features, 100% brand new handbags, model number, BC16, main material, canvas, number of handles, straps, 2, closure type, zipper, shape, casual tote, size, 36 cm * 13 cm * 30 cm, interior, cell phone pocket. Good quality bag for picnic, beach party or long trip. The bag is cool, very comfortable, bright. 17 colors are available. Price, US $10.40. Again, I assure you that 11,595 orders already have placed for this products. So don't miss the chance to buy this awesome product. Hit the link on the description. Number 4, this is the special Oswego straw bag in this year. 4.7 star rating on AliExpress. So don't worry about quality and quantity. Features, 100% brand new ladies bag. Brand name, Oswego. Model number, IO432. Main material, straw. Lining material, polyester. Interior zipper pocket. Number of handles, straps, 2. Hardness, soft. Handbags type, messenger bags. Straw bag, women shoulder bag. Crossbody bags for women, straw beach bag. Straw bucket bag, luxury handbags. This Oswego straw bag have 8 colors. Price, US $16.65, 20.69. Again, I assure you that 11,184 orders already have placed for this products. So don't miss the chance to buy this awesome product. Hit the link on the description. Number 5, AOILDLLI Woven Rattan Bag. This is the special woven rattan bag in this year. 4.8 star rating on AliExpress. So don't worry about quality and quantity. Features, brand name, AOILDLLI. Model number, Wujiaoxingwaxing. Main material, straw. Number of handles, straps, single. Handbags type, shoulder bags. Interior slot pocket. Pattern type, solid. Item type, handbags. This awesome bag has 56 colors. Price, US $6.87, 16.17. Again, I ensure you already 11,289 orders have placed for these products. So, don't miss the chance to buy these items. Hit the link on the description. If you like our video, please subscribe and share our video. Thank you.